Audio Jungle.
This is High-Tech News TV News. The Wildlife Trust of India, in collaboration with the Tamil Nadu Forest Department and Rohini Ilakeni Philanthropies, is hosting a two-way celebration of Yanai Thiruvizha in Gindi Auditorium in Gindi National Park, Chennai. The event was inaugurated by the Honorable Minister of Forest, Government of Tamil Nadu, Dr. K. Ponmudi, along with the Principal Secretary to the Government Tamil Nadu, Dr. P. Sendil Kumar, Chief of Forest, Thiru Srinivas R. Reddy, and Chief Wildlife Warden Thiru Rakesh Kumar Dogra, and dignitaries from Wildlife Trust of India and Care Earth Trust. Distinguished guests from the District Administration, Forest Department, and Civil Society were also present. In addition to thought-provoking discussions, the event showcases captivating elephant-inspired art pieces created by the local artists using sustainable and recyclable materials. Dr. K. Ponmudi, Honorable Minister of Forest, Government of Tamil Nadu, said the joint efforts of the Tamil Nadu Forest Department, WTI, and other NGOs gathered here are in vital conserving elephants and supporting communities near the habitats. After that, Dr. P. Sendil Kumar, Principal Secretary to the Government of Tamil Nadu, said, rapid urbanization is a major challenge. The Tamil Nadu government is utilizing modern AI technology to monitor elephant movements on railway tracks and prevent fatalities. Thiru Rakesh Kumar Dogra, Chief Wildlife Warden, said this is a landmark initiative by WTI to promote elephant conservation. This India has a rich history on with the elephant for over 2000 years. The Tamil Nadu government has notified 5 elephant reserves, implemented transparent death audits, established an elephant conservation center, and deployed Gumki elephants to the conflict. Josh Lewis, CEO WTI, said Yanai Thiruvizha is collaborative campaign with the Tamil Nadu Forest Department to take forward the message of elephant conservation and the need to safeguard the coordinators. In its 25 years of operations, WTS saved more than 42,000 animal lives, trained and equipped 20,000 frontline forest staff, and assisted the government in creating 7 protected areas, 25 lakh children to conservation, protected almost 1,200 square kilometers of natural habitat, including mangroves and the